Hey AI-CinemaTales family! Welcome back to the channel where imagination meets innovation, and where we're not just watching the future unfold, we're actually building it, one pixel at a time. If you've ever wondered what happens when you let AI run wild with creativity, you're in the right place. Here, we don't just talk about artificial intelligence, we use it as our creative partner, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in storytelling, art, and filmmaking. Today, I'm showing you how I use cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and even deepfake tech to create the short films of tomorrow, right from scratch. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the digital paintbrushes and pens that help me bring wild ideas to life, faster and more vividly than ever before. So picture this, let's set the scene. It's the year 2123. The world looks nothing like today, and yet it's strangely familiar. The world is run by AI, but instead of cold metal and soulless robots, humans and machines are actually living in harmony. Imagine a society where technology isn't just a tool, but a true companion, helping us solve problems, create art, and even dream bigger than ever before. Cities are glowing, diseases are a thing of the past, and people and AI are literally dreaming up the future, together. Every street is alive with possibility, and every person has an AI friend or assistant making life more vibrant and connected. But as every good story needs a twist, an ancient AI code gets uncovered that could change everything. This isn't just any code, it's a relic from the early days of artificial intelligence, holding secrets and mysteries that could reshape the world as we know it. Boom! That's our plot, and ChatGPT just helped me write it in seconds. With just a few prompts, I can brainstorm, outline, and even dialogue entire scenes, turning a spark of inspiration into a full-blown screenplay in record time. Now let's talk visuals. This is where Midjourney comes in. It's like having a team of world-class concept artists at your fingertips, ready to turn your wildest sci-fi dreams into stunning images. I just typed in, futuristic cityscape, neon lights, flying cars, people and robots working side by side, and honestly, the results are insane. The colors, the details, the atmosphere, it's like stepping into a movie before it's even made. Imagine skyscrapers that glow, streets buzzing with sleek drones, and humans chatting with robots like it's just another Tuesday. The line between science fiction and reality blurs, and suddenly you're not just imagining the future, you're seeing it. Then for our characters, I've got Midjourney sketching out a humanoid robot with a glowing core, and a human hero to match. Each character is unique with their own style, personality, and backstory, brought to life in vivid detail with just a few clicks. But here's where it gets next level. We're not stopping at static images or concept art, this is where the magic of deepfake technology comes in. With deepfake tech, I can literally animate these AI-generated faces, making our robot and human protagonist move and express themselves like real actors. Their eyes blink, their mouths move, and suddenly they're not just characters on a screen. They're performers in our story. Watching them come alive for the first time, that's the kind of science fiction magic I live for. It's like seeing your imagination step out of your mind and onto the screen, ready to tell a story that's never been told before. Now this is where you come in. This channel isn't just about my ideas, it's about building a creative community where your imagination shapes the stories we tell. I want you to help me shape the next AI short film. Drop your ideas in the comments. Should AI recreate a famous scene from Inception, or maybe a wild Star Wars moment? Or do you have a totally original twist you want to see brought to life? Want the next story to be bright and hopeful, or dark and mysterious? Maybe you want a utopian vision, or a gritty cyberpunk adventure. The choice is yours. Your votes decide what the AI cooks up next. I'll be running polls, reading your comments, and letting your creativity guide the direction of our next cinematic experiment. So, if you want to see how AI can turn imagination into reality, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next mind-blowing adventure. Every week, we're pushing the envelope, exploring new tech, and making the impossible possible, together. Dream big, experiment boldly, and remember, with AI, the future is whatever you imagine it to be. The only limit is your creativity, and here we're just getting started. See you in the next one.